Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. I'm back with another cute crocheted DIY, a very simple and small one this time. Before starting, make sure to subscribe and like the video. So let's get started. I'm using the same yarn from my last crocheted lavender video. If you guys have not seen the video yet, I'll link this up on the I button over here. Please do not forget to watch it. So let's start with a slip knot, then make 13 single crochet. We have to crochet back from here. Make 11 single crochet till the starting point. On this last one, make 3 single crochet on the same one. Then make 11 single crochet on the way back till the end. And to end this row, make a slip stitch on the very first chain. Now this is how it looks after the second row. For the third row, make a chain 1. On the next chain, make 2 single crochet followed by 8 single crochet. We basically have to increase in each row to get an oval shape. There are so many ways to do so. You can follow your own patterns as well. And if you're stuck somewhere and did not understand any step, you can always comment down below or reach me out on my social media. I'll definitely find a way to help you out. After this, we will increase in this 3 chain. Make 2 single crochet on one. Followed by a single crochet on the top one here, and again 2 single crochet on the next one. And then again make 7 single crochet throughout. Followed by 1 slip stitch at the end of this row. This is our end of third row. Now we have our fourth and the last row left. Again chain 1. This time we will increase by doing 1 single crochet, then 2 in the same, then make 8 single crochet. Now after the 8 single crochet, we will increase by 2 single crochet in the same, 1 on the next, 2 on this top one, again 1 followed by 2. Make 7 single crochet throughout, then 2 in the same, and on the last one make a single crochet and finish the row with a slip stitch. That's it, we are done with the base here. Now I'm going to decorate the base a bit. With the help of a needle and this thread, I'm going to make little bit of embroidery on the top. Now we will use some fabric sheets. They are available on Amazon and variety of color options are also there. Cut out a small portion, little bit smaller but same shape like the crocheted portion. Then take a tic-tac clip like this and attach it like this. We'll attach both the pieces together with the help of this hot glue gun. And it will stick in no time. I have made some varieties and they all look super cute. Let me know if you want another pattern as well. They're amazing handmade gift option as well. So I hope you guys liked the video. Let me know how do you like it. See you again on my next video. Bye bye.